You're throwing away nitrogen-rich gold every time you toss banana peels and coffee grounds in the trash. Kitchen scraps break down into nutrient-dense compost that transforms tired garden soil without spending a dime. Step 1. Set up a collection container. Use a small bin with a lid, a 5-gallon bucket, old ice cream container, or dedicated compost crock. Keep it on your counter or under the sink. This becomes your daily drop point. Step 2. Add the right scraps. Collect vegetable peels, fruit trimmings, coffee bags, crushed eggshells, and plant-based food waste. Skip meat, dairy, oils, and pet waste. These attract pests and slow decomposition. Step 3. Build your outdoor compost pile or bin. Layer your kitchen scraps with browns, shredded paper, dry leaves, or cardboard. Aim for a 1:2 ratio of greens to browns. This balance prevents odors and speeds breakdown. Step 4. Turn and water your pile every 1 to 2 weeks. Use a pitchfork to mix the layers. Keep it as moist as a wrung-out sponge. In 2 to 4 months, you'll have dark, crumbly, finished compost ready for your garden beds. Pro tip: chop large scraps into smaller pieces. They decompose 3 times faster. And never compost diseased plants or weeds with seeds. They'll survive the pile and spread problems. What scraps do you compost most? Drop a comment below. Follow Sikho for more gardening tips. Visit Sikho.ai.